In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cerebro in Helium 10. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account on Helium 10, and then you want to hover over products up here, and then you want to go to find the keywords to drive traffic, and then the first thing over here is going to say uncover competitor keywords, and you can enter Cerebro over here. So just click on that. And then here it's going to open up Cerebro in just a few moments, where you can basically go ahead and enter up to 10 products identifiers for keyword comparison. So for this instance, we're just going to be using one of these examples over here. And then of course you have to select your marketplace as well. I'm going to do .com, and I'm going to take this first one over here, the first ASIN, and it's going to basically start calculating, and this will basically get you the keywords. So I'm going to click on get keywords right now. I'm going to load from history because I've done that already. And then you can set filters for the specific keywords over here if you want to. But down here at the very bottom, you can see your single product search. You can see everything regarding this product search, as well as the word frequency, Amazon search volume, keyword distribution, and then as well as the keywords down here at the very bottom, okay? So this is the very basic usage, and you can go ahead and search for those keywords, see how they're performing, and if any of them are relevant to you. What you can also do is you can go ahead and run a listing analyzer. You can track the competitor and see the historical trend from these keywords over here. And what's also amazing is you can also get competitors by clicking this button. And over here, it's going to show you all the basic competitors on Amazon, so .com for me, on your marketplace, which are basically competing for those same keywords over here. You can go ahead and see them. You can see their ASINs over here. You can copy them, etc. So that's pretty much what you can do with Cerebro. It's a great tool, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.